What's up, sisters? Today I'll be showing you a updated twist out tutorial. As you know, I recently cut my hair, or really I just shaped my hair. I grew it out quite a bit the past 2 years, and now I cut it into a shape that I love, and now my twist outs have been looking really good and you requested, so here it is, my new method. I feel like I'm rediscovering my hair, so I am trying out new and old products, trying to see what my hair loves. We have partnered with Amazon and they sent some of my favorites over so far to bring you this tutorial, so I hope you enjoy my new method. Okay, so my hair is freshly cleaned, detangled, and sectioned off. I start off now with a leave-in conditioner. Beforehand I did not. I used to start off with an oil to seal in the moisture, but now I'm using a leave-in conditioner. I'm using Camille Rose Naturals Sun Glaze. It's the kids version and my hair loves it, even though I'm not a kid, but my hair loves it. So I start off with that, and I am using a Denman brush. I think a Denman brush is key to getting that perfect separate curl when you're pulling your twist apart without, making it frizzy. I myself just rediscovered this when I went back and looked at some of my old videos and saw the Denman brush, and I'm like, why did I stop using that with my twist out? It works great. Next, I'll be using a moisturizer. This is Camille Rose Moisture Milk. I don't know why I wasn't using moisturizers before, but I think they're definitely a must now for me. Next, I'm applying Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I love this stuff. It gives a nice hold, but it keeps your hair really soft and it doesn't create product buildup. And then I'm going to seal in all that moisture with some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm just going to brush it through with a Denman brush, and then I'm going to part this section into two. And the twists are pretty small. If you want that defined look, you want to twist your hair into smaller twists. If you want a chunkier look, chunkier twist. So for the defined look, for my twist out, I do smaller twists. I have about 30 to 40 twists probably in my hair. So I'm going to go through that process again. Like I said before, I am applying my leave-ins first compared to applying them last, which I believe is what I used to do. And then I'm applying a moisturizer, which is also something new, and then a twisting butter to get that nice hold. And then I'm going to seal that all in with some oil. You can choose the oil that you love, but I'm using extra virgin olive oil. It works great in my hair. Brush the product through to make the curls pop and make it easier for you to pull your twist apart after you let the product dry in your hair. As you know, I was pregnant last year and I have experienced a lot of postpartum shedding. I'm pretty sure you saw some of the bald spots in my head, in the front definitely, but it's all good. It's something to be expected, and as a new mom, I want to be able to show my daughter how to love and care for her hair, so this is just something for me to look back on and share with her. So I'm not tripping on the postpartum shedding. And another one less thing to worry about is shopping for hair products. Being a new mom and dealing with a little baby, I have no time to be pondering in the product aisle. I have other things I want to do with my daughter, so I order my products from Amazon.com/textures-use, which is a new place for us to find all of our favorite products. And not only can you search by your favorite brand or product category, but you can also search by your hair type to find out what works best for you. Plus, majority of the products have the option of the 2-day shipping. That is super convenient for me. So I'll put the link in the description box so you can all check that out. And as you can see, I let my hair dry overnight, and I just laid my edges down with some Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control, one of my other faves. Now when I take my twist down, I work from the back to the front, and as I go to the front, I am fluffing out the roots slightly without disturbing the curl pattern. And when I'm taking down my twist, each strand I kind of rub down a little bit with my fingers and feel for that natural parting from the Denman brush that I was talking about earlier. And your hair should part easily without too much frizz. So as you can see, I pull the 2 strands apart, and then I slightly just rub them, stretch them, and fluff them slightly without frizzing, and then they naturally pull apart. If you're using a good product, your twist shouldn't be so disturbed or frizz up when you pull your hair apart. Get something with a nice hold without being too heavy or hard on your hair. My ultimate goal these days is to keep my hair moisturized. That's why I added all those products, something that I usually would never do, but I only use a dime size to keep the product from building up. Twist out usually lasts about a week with twisting it over at night. But yeah, that's it. I pick it out at the root to give more volume. That postpartum shedding got my hair kind of thin, but I love my hair still. And that's it for my updated twist out tutorial. I hope you ladies enjoyed. All the products, everything I used in this video will be down below in the description box, and you can get it on amazon.com/textures-hues. Definitely check out the site and, you know, get your favorite products. Go search by your hair type. It's very convenient, and as a new mom, that's important. Peace out, sisters.